I believe I can ride. I believe I can touch the sky. Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at Outdoor Masters. This is their bike helmet. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you get, how it looks, and yeah, put it on our big old noggin and see how it looks. Okay, it is definitely solid, that's for sure. This is what it looks like. It almost looks like you could use this as a riding helmet as well for horseback. But yeah, overall their helmets are pretty universal, so you can use them for pretty much anything. Inside, just some specs and decals. Okay, so quick release, that's actually really nice. You adjust this to your head by twisting this. So this makes it tight or more loose. And then you can just slide that up there. So let's go ahead and place this on. I mean, it definitely looks nice. I believe I can ride. I believe I can touch the sky on a rainy day. Alright guys, so you can adjust the strap on here. And again, we can tighten this on the back. So we just turn it until it fits our noggin. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I would say the padding inside is probably medium padding. So it's not like the most full protection padding, but it's also not like the lightest wear. Definitely better than nothing, but this is what it looks like. Now we're ready to fall. So yeah, let's see, quick release, works good. Yeah, overall, it's nice.